Minsan, ang pinakamahirap bitawan ay yung bagay na alam na nating kailangan nating i-let go. It could be a past mistake, painful memory, broken relationship, unmet expectation, or even a dream that no longer fits our present situation. Madalas, kumakapit tayo because letting go feels like losing. Pero minsan, holding on is exactly what keeps us from moving forward. Paulit-ulit nating binabalikan ang nangyari. Iniisip kung ano sana ang pwedeng nangyari at patuloy na binibit-bit ang emotions na dapat sanang matagal na nating pinakawalan. Letting go doesn't mean pretending that nothing happened. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na wala nang halaga ang experience. It means accepting that some things are already beyond our control. You can learn from the past without living in it. You can forgive without forgetting the lesson. Minsan, peace begins when we finally say, hindi ko na ito kayang baguhin. Kaya pipiliin kong hindi na ito dalhin araw-araw. So, ano kaya ang kailangan mong bitawan ngayon?